This home has been recently updated throughout. Take a look. Cambridge Road is the ultimate home for Lease right now. It has the formal aspect of formal living room, formal dining as you enter, grand entryway, lots of light, natural light, these Antica wood oak style floors that are very durable and lovely. Fireplace in the living room, you go into a formal dining room, also lots of windows and another fireplace. This is great for big family dinners, holiday celebrations. And if you're looking for the more casual environment, you have the open concept kitchen with all of the built-ins, including the wine fridge, center island, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, washer, dryer, all of the conveniences of home, ready to move in. And then you have this off of the kitchen, this great room area. You can have a little seating area by the third fireplace. Or you can set up your family room with the more open, big couches and TV on the wall in here. So you have all of this room. This looks out over this stunning backyard. And the light is incredible. The backyard is an oasis. This home is listed at $8,900 a month. And what you need to know is that the owner is motivated. She wants a good tenant who will take care of her home like it's their own. And she is looking for that right tenant. That is the most important thing. So she will entertain offers in the neighborhood of $8,900 in order to get the right tenant in to care for her beautiful property that's been maintained.